In 1974, a reclusive writer in rural Maine purchased an old Remington typewriter at an estate sale. Soon after, he'd awaken at night to the clack of keys echoing through the empty house. The typewriter, untouched, produced cryptic messages. "I see you. Not alone." And finally, "I'm coming home." Each note was typed in a style he never used. Disturbed, he locked the machine in the basement. But the messages persisted, appearing on blank sheets left in other rooms. The final message read, "You can't escape the story." The typewriter disappeared the next day, never found again.